Vuyokazi Gciweni chose herself and her kids over Mphumelelo Mseleko. I remember last time Tirelo had a conversation with her father-in-law Musa Mseleko about Mphumelelo. Tirelo explained that Mphumelelo want to marry another wife. He had money to pay lobolo for Amahle, but he doesn't have money to take care of his kids. Last time Tirelo's mother buy medicines for Singabako, Mphumelelo's son, and Tirelo's mother asking Mphumelelo to pay back the money. Mphumelelo refused to pay back the money, and they watch Mphumelelo on television. He is paying lobolo for another wife, but to their daughter Tirelo, they didn't pay even a cent. It's very hateful. That's why Vuyokazi chose herself. Even Vuyokazi can watch Mphumelelo pay lobolo for another wife, but Mphumelelo didn't finish to pay lobolo for Vuyokazi. It's very painful. Now Tirelo is regretting the way she was treating Vuyokazi, and Tirelo is feeling the pain now Mphumelelo the way he is treating them. Tirelo, why she is still staying in Mayani's house like a daughter-in-law. Tirelo want fame, and she knows that she is gaining to be Mpumelelo's wife because Mpumelelo is Msamseleku's son. Most of the people they are hiring Tirelo. Tirelo is making a lot of money. It's not about Tirelo. She doesn't know what she is doing. That's why you saw that girl is glowing. Tirelo is making her own money. Those girls, even Mpumelelo doesn't give them money, but they are gaining fame, a lot of fame when they are posting on Instagram, whatever, Facebook. They are gaining a lot. That's why Tirelo doesn't want to be outside Msamseleku's family. She want to be Mpumelelo's wife, but when she is done with Mpumelelo like Makumalo, because now Tirelo have got a car. Even Vuyokazi, you know that Vuyokazi is gaining a lot of money now because most of the people are hiring Vuyokazi. She gained. Vuyokazi is out of Mpumelelo's life, but people they know Vuyokazi through Mpumelelo. If it was not Mpumelelo, people they don't know Vuyokazi. That's why those girls now they have to gain, not to wait for Mpumelelo, because Tirelo was complaining. But Tirelo have got friends and sisters. They say you have to stay on that program. Izingane Zestembu. On Izingane Zestembu, Tirelo was getting paid. Even Mpumelelo doesn't give her money. But Msamseleku want those girls on that show because that program you have to go forward, many views, more money. That's why Tirelo, she is still in that program because it's difficult to find a job in South Africa. Even that program gave Tirelo 25,000 per month. It's a lot of money because other people they work 24 hours at work every day. They don't put their effort on that work because they are shooting the show only. That's why Tirelo is still in that program. Even Vuyokazi at that time, she was still in that program, but Vuyokazi leave Izingane Zestembu because she have got a backup to make her own money. Tirelo, if she is done with Mpumelelo, you will see her true colors. Tirelo, she will be out of Mpumelelo's life for good. Because last time Tirelo was complaining about Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo doesn't want to pay his son's bills because Tirelo's mother buy medicines with her own money, using her own money. She had a hope that Mpumelelo have to pay back the money, and Singabako Tirelo's son is in her mother's medical aid. So that money was not enough. Tirelo's mother have to pay another money. Maybe Mpumelelo thinks that Tirelo's family or Tirelo, they want to trap Mpumelelo. They want more money because Mpumelelo comes from Seleku's family. Because Mpumelelo knows that most of the girls, they want him because of money. People, they say, when you are Msamseleku's son, Msamseleku's daughter, they have got a lot of money, what. But Mpumelelo, you have to pay those medical bills. If Tirelo's mother says we have to pay, Tirelo promised, you know that Mpumelelo promised Tirelo's family to come to pay Lobolo. That day failed. Mpumelelo didn't come. And they watching Mpumelelo is paying Lobolo for Amahle. Tirelo now she have to feel the pain for your cause she was feel because last time on Izingane Zestembu season 1, season 2, Tirelo was the treat Vuyokazi like nothing and she have to feel the pain what Vuyokazi feel now.